第13條佢就話如果 z varies directly as x and inversely as y square, which of the following must be constant？ 咁咧佢咧其實點樣做呢個技巧？咁咧其實我哋首先咧 set 翻個睇翻其實佢呢條想講啲咩？佢話 z vary directly as x， 咁 x 咧 inversely as y square。咁因為佢冇話 partially 去 vary 啊嘛，咁所以咧我哋將佢連埋一齊嘅。咁而喺呢件事上面一定會有個 constant k 嘅。咁佢問你邊一個以下邊一個數式 A、B、C、D 會係一個 constant？ 咁咧我嘅慣性係將啲 variable 掉去一邊，剩翻個 k 字嘅喺度嘅。咁所以 2z y 二次方除翻 x 咧就會等於 k 啦。咁好啦，咁呢個時候你望翻呢個你 A、B、C、D 咧，咁其實會發覺冇一個係喎。咁其實個答案係咩咧？其實呢個時候咧，我希望大家咧都會明白呢個 concept。假設咁講 C， 假設佢有一個 constant 啦，咁而1 over C 會唔會係 constant 咧？會唔會係 constant 咧？咁當然 C 唔係0啦咁1 over C 會唔會係 constant 咧？我希望大家都有呢個 concept 要知道其實呢件事都可以係一個 constant 嚟嘅。咁所以 2z y 二次除翻 x 係 k 咧，係一個 k 咧，咁而 over k 都係一個 constant 嚟㗎，咁佢就會等於 x over 2z 嘅 y 二次方啊，咁呢個都係 constant，咁所以 which of the following must be constant 嘅話咧 ，A 嘢一定冇。